So, this is double elimination round 8. We have Mira Loma coming in from the losers bracket with 1 loss in double elimination. And we have North Hollywood, who is undefeated in double elimination. And to do introductions, let's think of something cool. What is your favorite star? Including the sun. Okay, so for the competitors, go from top to bottom, unmute, and tell us your favorite star.
My favorite star is the sun.
Nice.
My favorite star is also the sun.
Nice.
I'm also going, and my favorite star is Betelgeuse. People on mute, say the thing. I guess, hello, I'm Napuna, and I guess my favorite star is, the sun, sure, I don't know.
I'm Rohan, and my favorite star is the Crab Pulsar.
I'm Sarthak, my favorite star is Polaris. Why not?
Cool.
I'm Vishwa, and the star is the only sun. The sun is the only star I know.
Okay. And are both teams ready to compete in double elimination round 8?
Do you want to introduce staff or no?
Oh, okay, so our scorekeeper for this round will be Gideon Zafuri. He's a sophomore from Lexington High School, and he does chem. Our visual bonus shower will be Danny Zhao from Lexington High School, who is also a rising junior. And I am Sean from Lexington High School, a rising junior, and I will be your moderator for this match. And for challenges, I guess Albert Liu is the science judge, if he wants to be. Also, Noho, Mira is offering to do a 5v5 if you guys have 5 people.
Sure.
Okay. So we will proceed with the 5v5. Okay, without further ado, we will begin round 13. Toss-up number 1 is in physics short answer. If a physical system is rotationally symmetric, then what conservation law must it interrupt from Albert Zhang?
Angular momentum.
Is correct. Your bonus is in physics short answer. What approximation method in quantum mechanics estimates the energy levels of a complicated system by expressing its Hamiltonian as a power series and taking the first few terms?
Let's see. Taylor series. Okay.
5 seconds.
Taylor expansion.
I'm sorry, the correct answer was perturbation theory. Your second toss-up is in biology, and it's short answer. Those with Urbach-Wiez disease typically develop symmetrical calcification in what central portion of the limbic system, leading to reduced emotional responses? Buzz from Albert.
Amygdala.
Is correct. Your bonus is visual, in biology, and short answer.
Yeah.
Okay. The image depicts linear electron flow during the light reactions of photosynthesis in a rose. Answer the following 2 questions regarding this image. 1. What is the name of the electron carrier labeled A, which functions to shuttle electrons in both linear and cyclic electron flow, and what transition metal is coordinated within the protein? 2. What is the name of the reduced form of the pair of central chlorophyll molecules in photosystem 2 labeled B, which is amongst the most powerful of oxidizing agents in its oxidized form?
So it's like cyanide,
Like iron and copper, and then P680. Right. It's on the reduced form, right?
Yeah.
Okay. 1 is plastocyanin and copper, and 2 is P680.
Is correct. Toss-up number 3 is in chemistry and it's multiple choice. Which of the following could not describe a normal mode and a centrosymmetric molecule? W. Oh, sorry, I didn't do the dashes. W. Both IR and Raman active. X. IR active but Raman inactive. Y. IR inactive but Raman active. Z. Both IR and Raman inactive. Buzz from Theodore.
X.
X is incorrect. Buzz from Vishwa.
Y.
Y is also incorrect. The correct answer was W. Both IR and Raman active. Toss-up number 4 is in math and its short answer. The positive 2-digit integer AB has 12 divisors. How many divisors does a 4-digit integer AB have? Buzz by Albert.
24.
Is correct. Your bonus is in math and its short answer. Robert starts with the polynomial f of x equals x squared plus x plus 1. Every second, he either adds or subtracts 1 from f. What is the probability that after 2017 seconds, f has a real root?
So, right. So he has to get up to plus or minus
5 seconds?
1/2.
That is time.
Yeah, well, but he gave an answer, so is correct. Toss-up number 5 is in Earth and space and it's multiple choice. Which of the following cannot produce an absorption spectra? W. Ionized hydrogen. X. Singly ionized helium. Y. Doubly ionized oxygen. Z. Doubly ionized sulfur. Buzz from Xi'an.
X.
X is incorrect. Buzz from Rohan.
W.
W. Ionized hydrogen is correct. Your bonus is in Earth and space, visual, and short answer. Displayed is an X-ray photo of the bullet cluster taken by the Chandra Observatory in 2005. It remains one of the most studied clusters due to it providing evidence for the existence of dark matter. Answer the following 3 questions regarding the bullet cluster. 1. What galactic event is occurring in the bullet cluster? 2. The bullet cluster provides wide evidence for dark matter by disproving what theory that hypothesizes that gravity acts differently in low acceleration environments. 3. The dark matter within the galaxies is mainly studied via what phenomenon, which can be measured via the distortion of light coming from behind the bullet cluster.
Okay, so 2 is MOND, I'm pretty sure, modified Newtonian dynamics. And then 3 is gravitational lensing. And then
What about 1?
I think 1 is like the collision of 2 clusters, right? I think say collision of 2 clusters.
Okay. 1 is collision of 2 clusters, 2 is MOND, and 3 is gravitational lensing.
I'm sorry, 1 was galactic collision or galactic cannibalism, but 2 and 3 are correct. Toss-up number 6 is in energy and its short answer. Scientists at Argonne National Lab have been using solid-state fluorine-19 NMR spectroscopy to probe the structures of various materials. In trigonal bipyramidal molecules such as PF5 at low temperatures, 2 sets of signals are observed for axial and equatorial fluorine in the fluorine-19 NMR spectrum. However, at high temperatures, both signals converge into one signal due to what vibrational effect? Buzz from Rohan.
J coupling.
I'm sorry, J coupling is incorrect. Buzz from Albert.
Yawn power.
I'm sorry, that's a nice guess, but it was Barry pseudorotation. Toss-up number 7 is in physics and it's multiple choice. A lamp sits near the Earth emitting electromagnetic radiation of a certain wavelength. An observer rests 10 kilometers above the lamp. When the observer sees the light, it is gravitationally redshifted by 1 nanometer. If we repeat this experiment near the moon, where the gravitational field is 1/6 of that of the Earth, and the observer now sits 20 kilometers above the lamp, what is the new redshift? W. 0.1 lambda. X. 0.3 lambda. Y. Lambda. Z. 2 lambda. Buzz from Albert.
X.
X is correct. Your bonus is in physics and it's multiple choice. The wavelength that a detector measures from a light source moving towards it is 500 nanometers. The light source is traveling 1/2 c in the detector's reference frame. What is the proper wavelength emitted by the source? W, 500 nanometers. X, 682 nanometers. Y, 866 nanometers. Z, 920 nanometers.
Okay, so 3/1. So rad 3, right? So the frequency is rad 3 as much. So the wavelength is 1/. Okay, wait, hold on. Okay, whatever. 500 times rad 3.
5 seconds.
Y final.
Y, 866 nanometers is correct. Toss-up number 8 is in biology, and its short answer. The plasmids of what bacterial species do scientists exploit to transfer foreign DNA into plant cultures? Buzz from Albert.
Agrobacterium imitations.
Is correct. Your bonus is in biology, and its short answer. By name or number, identify all of the following 3 changes that would occur to a Lineweaver-Burke plot after you add an uncompetitive inhibitor. 1. Slope increases. 2. Y-intercept decreases. 3. X-intercept decreases.
Okay, not 1. Y-intercept, that's 1/Vmax. Vmax decreases. So that should increase. X is 1/. Km also decreases, right? There was also the X-intercept decreases. Oh, wait.
Yeah, whose X-intercept decreases?
This
5 seconds.
3 only, final.
I'm sorry, the answer was none of them.
A challenge.
Okay, we need to get Robert, because I didn't write this. Yeah, we can definitely accept it.
Okay.
Okay, without further ado, we left off at question number 9 in chemistry multiple choice. Which of the following protecting groups cannot be removed under acidic conditions? W, Boc. X, FMOC. Y, acetyls. Z, orthoesters. Buzz from Nippon.
Y.
Y is incorrect. Buzz from Theodore.
Z.
Z is also incorrect. The correct answer was X, FMOC.
Wait, Sean, you accepted our challenge for bio bonus?
Yes, he accepted the challenge.
Okay, good.
Toss-up number 10 is in math, and its short answer. Compute the sum of the squares of the eigenvalues of the matrix with first row 4, -1 and second row 1, 1.
Time.
The answer was 15. Toss-up number 11 is in Earth and Space multiple choice. Which of the following would best indicate a late-stage desert? W, Bahadas. X, Ventifax. Y, Inselbergs. Z, interrupt from Rohan.
Y.
Y, Inselbergs is correct. Your bonus is in Earth and Space short answer. Magnetic fields on the Sun and other G-type stars demonstrate strong emission lines of what ionized element that scientists use to study magnetic fields on other Sun-like stars?
I think it's calcium. Since they said G-type stars. So say calcium.
Alright. Calcium final.
Is correct. Toss-up number 12 is in energy and it's multiple choice. Scientists at Brookhaven National Lab used the Sloan Digital Sky Survey to make detailed measurements of more than 2 million galaxies and quasars over 11 billion years of cosmic time. The survey confirmed once again the flat nature of the universe. Which of the following correctly describes the density of the universe for it to be flat? W, it is below the critical density. X, it is above the critical density. Y, it is interrupt from Albert. Y, it is at the critical density is correct. Your bonus from energy is in energy and is multiple choice. Scientists at Lawrence Berkeley National Lab are developing mono and polycationic lipids called lipitoid to create synthetic vectors. Which of the following is not a benefit of using cationic lipitoid as vectors? W, lipitoid micelles protect the plasmid DNA inside from degradation. X, lipitoid micelles are as small as most viruses. Y, lipitoids easily form complexes with DNA. Z, lipitoids are naturally degraded after DNA transfer has occurred.
The smallest viruses. Perhaps myself.
5 seconds.
X, final.
I'm sorry, the correct answer was Z, and that brings us to the half of the match. Could we get a score check?
The score is 64 for NoHo, 18 for Mira Loma.
All right. And you have a 1 minute break, and you can tell me if you have any substitutions.
Wait, yeah, give me.
Oh wait, actually it's 5v5. Never mind.
Yeah, wait, give me a 1 minute break.
Yep, that's a 1 minute break. Yeah. Okay. I think that's the end of the break. So, are both teams ready to continue?
I think so.
Okay, Danny is not ready, so I'll wait.
Yeah, I'm not ready either.
Okay, I'm sorry for rushing ahead.
Fine.
Please forgive me. Danny is now ready. Is our scorekeeper Gideon ready?
No, yeah, I'm ready.
Are both teams ready again? I'll take that as a yes. Okay. Then we will begin with a toss-up 13 in physics short answer. What addition to the Ampere's law implied the existence of electro interrupt from Albert?
Displacement correct?
Is correct. Your bonus is in physics, visual, and short answer. Shown in the diagram is an electrical circuit consisting of source, resistor, capacitors, and inductors. Answer the following 3 questions about this circuit. 1. At the resonant frequency, what quantity is maximized? 2. Determine the resonant frequency of this circuit. 3. If the amplitude of oscillation of the voltage across C1 is 10 volts, what is the energy contained in the circuit?
What was 3? The amplitude across C1 was 10 volts.
10 volts.
Yeah.
It's
What's the
energy.
energy
Well, what's the energy?
in the capacitor?
Let's see.
5 seconds.
1 is power, 2 or 3 is 150, and 2 is square root of 3 over 36.
Oh.
I'm sorry, that's incorrect. 1 was impedance, 2 was 1/4, and 3 was 400 joules.
Okay.
Toss-up number 14 is in biology and is multiple choice. Which of the following groups of animals have an incomplete septum within the heart? W. Birds. X. Frogs. Y. Interrupt from Albert.
X.
X. Frogs is incorrect, and I'll reread for the other team. Toss-up biology multiple choice. Which of the following groups of animals have an incomplete septum within the heart? W. Frogs. W. Birds. X. Frogs. Y. Alligators. Z. Turtles. Buzz from Achuda.
Why?
Y is also incorrect. The correct answer was Z. Turtles. Okay.
Continue.
Then we will continue with a toss-up in 15, chemistry short answer. Identify all of the following 3 substituents that, when substituted at the alpha carbon to the carbonyl group, will decrease the stretching band frequency of the carbonyl group. 1. Amino. 2. Chloro. 3. Carboxyl. Buzz from Vishwa.
1 only?
Is incorrect. Buzz from Theodore.
1 and 2.
Is also incorrect. The correct answer is 1 and 3. Toss-up number 16 is in math and its short answer. A function f satisfies f of x plus y equals 3 times the quantity f of x times f of y for all real x and y. If f of 3 equals 18, what is f of 1?
That is time.
The correct answer was cube root of 3. Toss-up number 17 is an Earth in space and it's multiple choice. Which of the following best describes the difference between adaptive optics and active optics? W. Adaptive optics correct for the Earth's rotation, while active optics correct for seeing. X. Adaptive optics correct seeing, while active optics correct for telescope defects. Y. Adaptive optics correct for telescope defects, while active optics correct for the Earth's rotation. Z. Adaptive optics correct for the Earth's rotation, while active optics correct for proper motion. Buzz from Albert.
X.
X is correct. Your bonus is an Earth in space, visual, and short answer. Yeah, shown in the image is a cross-section of the Grand Canyon. Answer the following 2 questions regarding this image. 1. The red circles highlight 2 unconformities. Give all the types of unconformities that S and R could be. 2. Order F through K from youngest to oldest given that J is older than F.
So what type of links could answer R?
Disconformity or non-conformity? Wait.
Five seconds.
That's
time.
One, S could be angular and non, R could only be dis, and 2 is G, H, I, F, J, K. Okay, we'll resume with a toss-up in energy multiple choice. Scientists at the National Renewable Energy Laboratory are studying the composition of algae in pursuit of alternative fuels. In algae, what is the primary method of energy storage? W. Starch. X. Glycogen. Y. Triglyceride. Z. Wax. Buzz from Rohan.
W.
W. Starch is incorrect. Buzz from Albert.
Z?
Z. Wax is correct. Your bonus is an energy short answer. Scientists at the Princeton Plasma Physics Laboratory are interested in diachotron instability because it can wreak havoc in plasma required for fusion reactions, reducing the efficiency of experiments. Diachotron instability occurs because of shear velocities that give rise to electron vortices. To what type of instability in fluid dynamics is diachotron instability most similar to?
Word types? I can name some words. Xiang, do you know?
I not.
Rayleigh Jeans? Question mark. Kelvin Plug? Question mark.
You have 5 seconds left.
Go with that.
Okay. Rayleigh Jeans final.
I'm sorry, it was Kelvin Helmholtz.
All right.
Your next toss-up is in physics and it's multiple choice. Which of the following does not provide evidence for the particle nature of light? W. Photoelectric effect. X. Compton scattering. Y. Black body radiation. Z. Interrupt from Rohan.
Y.
Y. Black body radiation is incorrect, and I'll read it for the other team. Toss-up physics multiple choice. Which of the following does not provide evidence for the particle nature of light? W. Photoelectric effect. X. Compton scattering. Y. Black body radiation. Z. Malice's law. Albert?
Z.
Z is correct. Your bonus is in physics short answer. A torsion pendulum with a moment of inertia 28 kilogram meters squared is rotated through an angle of 0.3 radians. If the restoring torque is 21 newton meters, give the period of oscillations in seconds.
Okay. Something like.
You have 5 seconds.
The forward or
That's a stall.
And I think time. The correct answer was 2 pi root square root of the quantity 2/5. Toss-up number 20 is in biology and its short answer. What glycoprotein secreted by the parietal cells of the stomach is required for the absorption? Interrupt from Albert.
intrinsic factor.
Is correct. Your bonus is in biology and is short answer. By name or number, identify all of the following 3 statements that are true about the immune system. 1. CD8 plus cells combine to MHC class 1 molecules. 2. Interleukin 2 is the main cytokine responsible for plasma cell and cytotoxic cell T cell proliferation. 3. IgD is the only membrane-bound immunoglobulin.
Okay, I'm pretty sure 1 and 3 are true. Or 2. IL-2. Or probably. Well, it's only a dendritic cell. Well, I think
That's 5 seconds.
1 and 3 final.
Sorry, the correct answer was all of them.
Alright, good.
Toss-up number 21 is in chemistry and its short answer. Order the following 3 substituents in increasing activation of an aromatic ring towards electrophilic aromatic substitution. 1. Nitro. 2. Methoxy. 3. Acetyl. Buzz from Nippon.
2, 1, 3.
I'm sorry, 2, 1, 3 is incorrect. I'll reread the question for the other team because I think that was an interrupt. Chemistry short answer. Order the following 3 substituents in increasing activation of an aromatic ring towards electrophilic aromatic substitution. 1. Nitro. 2. Methoxy. 3. Acetyl. Buzz from Theodore.
Oh, sorry. 1, 3, 2.
Is correct.
Nice.
Your bonus is in chemistry short answer. By number, identify all of the following 3 statements that are true regarding carbenes. 1. Alpha elimination produces singlet carbenes. 2. Carbenes undergo paracyclic reactions with alkenes. 3. Triplet carbenes have a smaller bond angle than singlet carbenes.
Alright, deal.
I think 2's true.
Okay.
You have 5 seconds.
I just say something.
Okay.
Time.
All of them?
That was after time. The correct answer was all of them.
Okay.
Toss-up number 22 is in math and its short answer. There are 4 houses on a street, with 2 on each side, and each house can be painted one of 5 different colors. Find the number of ways that the 2 houses can be painted such that no 2 houses on the same side of the street are the same color and not all the houses are different colors. Buzz from Achuda.
240.
I'm sorry, 240 is incorrect. Buzz from Albert.
395.
I'm sorry, 395 is also incorrect. The correct answer was 280. Toss-up number 23 is in Earth and Space and its multiple choice. In which of the following Köppen climate designations would one most expect to experience collision coalescence based on rain? W, A, X, B, Y. Interrupt from Nippon.
A.
A is correct. Your bonus is in Earth and Space, and its short answer. By name or number, identify all of the following 3 phenomenon that are spiral tracers. 1. OB associations. 2. Emission nebulae. 3. Planetary nebulae.
Okay, 1 definitely. 2, yes, because that indicates the presence of like hot stars like O stars. Then 3, I don't.
You have 5 seconds.
I don't think it's 3. Go 1 and 2.
1 and 2 final.
1 and 2 is correct. Toss-up number 24 is in energy and its multiple choice. Score check. Gideon.
Gideon.
Sorry, 96 for NoHo, and yeah, 36 for Mira Loma.
Yep. Toss-up number 24 is in energy and its multiple choice. Researchers at SLAC use the LINAC coherent light source to image protein structures. Through which mechanism do free electron lasers like the LCLS produce light? W. Synchrotron radiation. X. Spontaneous emission. Interrupt from Nippon.
Cyclotron radiation.
cyclotron radiation is incorrect. I'll reread for the other team. Toss-up energy multiple choice. Researchers at SLAC use the LINAC coherent light source to image protein structures. Through which mechanism do free electron lasers like the LCLS produce light? W. Synchrotron radiation. X. Spontaneous emission. Y. Electric dipole transitions. Z. Optical pumping. Buzz from Albert. W. Synchrotron radiation is correct. Your bonus is in energy and is short answer. Scientists at the Lawrence Livermore National Laboratory have recently discovered the protein landmodulin, a naturally occurring solution to heavy metal contamination that binds rare earth elements. What protein analog in smooth muscles serves a similar function by binding calcium ions to begin signaling cascades?
What's calmodulin final?
Yes. Okay. I don't know who included landmodulin in the question, but
That will be Robert.
okay. Toss-up number 25 is in physics and its short answer. The dispersion relation of a matter wave connects which two of its properties? Buzz from Albert.
Group velocity and phase velocity?
I'm sorry, that's incorrect.
That's time.
The answer was energy and momentum, or frequency and wavelength.
And the final score is 114 for North Hollywood, 36 for Mira Loma. So with that, congratulations to both teams for making double elimination round 8, and special congratulations to North Hollywood for winning. And because they won and have no losses, they are the winners.
Yes, they are the winners.
2020 loss.
And since we are all broke and we're paid less than $1 per hour for this tournament, we do not have a prize. So I hope you'll forgive us. But
Yes,
the prize is bragging rights.
Yes, and very interesting that
Give
both
them the
teams are
money
from
you got
California.
from the tournament.
Yes, yes.
It's so simple.
We'll give you all of it. There's so little, but like.
There's so little
Yeah.
money that it doesn't matter.
Yeah, you'll get a free textbook, and you can get.
Yes,
free.
you do get questions after we fix the millions of formatting mistakes that were made.
If you guys want, we'll donate you gold.
Yeah.
Buy one gold, get another gold.
Yeah. You guys can have Altair and gold. Okay, it's a double whammy.
My favorite star is actually Altair, by the way.
Huh?
My favorite star is actually Altair.
Oh, I see.
What a coincidence.
Yeah.
Okay, nice.
California always wins.
Yeah.
Albert, you're my favorite star.
Thanks.
The real question is which Albert?
Oh, yes.
Please join me in congratulating both teams, but in particular North Hollywood High School, our 2000 National Science Bowl High School champions. Congratulations, North Hollywood High School.